welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to my skin, I like when my skin is feeling smooth. I like when my skin is free of pigmentation, and I also like when my skin is looking bright with a natural glow. What I use on my skin is an exfoliator that is rich in vitamin C. This exfoliator gets rid of the dead skin cells on my skin. It also helps to lighten and brighten and clear the pigmentation on my skin. I use this exfoliator on my face and my neck and décolleté, and I use it 3 times per week. I notice when I use it 3 times a week, my skin is just glowing. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share the recipe with you. If you're out there and your skin is looking a little dull, if you're looking to brighten that skin, if you're looking to clear pigmentation on the skin, if you're looking for smooth skin, and if you're looking for that natural glowing skin, then this recipe might be for you. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe. I'm going to tell you about all the ingredients. I'm using simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry at home. So let's get into my kitchen and I'll share the recipe with you. Before I start making this exfoliator, if you're new to my channel, I would like you to subscribe. The word subscribe is below in red and a little bell icon is right beside the word subscribe. Click on subscribe and then click on the bell icon and you're subscribed, and also you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Just turn on the post notification on your phone. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Now today we're going to be using some petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly will help to keep the skin hydrated. We're going to use about a teaspoon of the petroleum jelly. Pour this in. And next, we're going to just warm the petroleum jelly up by just blending, or you can choose to put it in a double boiler. Just warm that petroleum jelly. Get that petroleum jelly all nice and warm. Once this is done, I'm going to reach for some oil, and I'm going to take a bit of a sweet almond oil, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the sweet almond oil. Pour that in. And then I'm going to keep mixing this sweet almond oil with the petroleum jelly. Mix well. Just keep blending this in. We are going to get rid of pigmentation on the skin, soften the skin. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for some baking soda, and we're going to add about a teaspoon of the baking soda to our petroleum jelly and sweet almond oil, and we're just going to blend this in. Keep blending, and it's going to look really nice and creamy. This make an amazing scrub, guys. A scrub that can help to transform your skin. So mix this in. Now once this is done, take a look at what I have here. Here I have some orange peel powder. And guess what, guys? We're going to just use about a half a teaspoon of the orange peel powder. Pour this in. And we're going to keep blending this in. So here in our bowl, we have petroleum jelly, sweet almond oil, baking soda, which is also sodium bicarbonate, and some orange peel. And now this is ready to use on the skin. This is going to help to lighten, brighten, and hydrate the skin. So to use this on your skin, and this is good for your entire body, you're going to take a generous amount and you're just going to use it to exfoliate the skin. Exfoliate your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Just exfoliate in circular motion. And while you're exfoliating, the petroleum jelly is going to be melting. And what is going to be left is the orange peel and the baking soda. And guys, this is going to give you an amazing smooth skin, a natural glow to the skin. Once that is done, you're going to rinse off right away. Let me go rinse. Just rinse with some room temperature water and reveal beautiful skin. Now take a look, guys. You can clearly see I use it on this, I didn't on this, how bright my skin is looking. This is good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. No need to store it in the refrigerator, just store it on the countertop, and whenever you're ready to use it, it is a go. Get rid of pigmentation, lighten, brighten the skin, transform your skin, smooth your skin, and guess what, guys? Get naturally glowing skin. And there you have it. Quick, easy, very simple recipe that you can make in your kitchen. Now whip this up and use it. Give it time to work on the skin. However, the very first time you use this on the skin, you're going to be blown away because your skin is going to feel so smooth. It's going to look so soft, and you're definitely going to see that natural glow instantly. So just imagine using this for 6 weeks, 3 times a week. You are going to be so surprised, have walking on the street and everyone looking at you and be like, oh my goodness, what is it that you are using on your skin? So go ahead, make it, use it up, and then guess what you do for me? You come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and remember, if this is your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and click on that bell icon. You're subscribed and you'll get a notification as soon as I upload a video. We also have other videos that you might be interested in. At the end of this video, I'm going to list a few, and you can also click on my face below this video and go on my channel page where you'll find a wide variety of skincare videos. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.